Imagine waking up one morning to the thought of, what if I should have, I could have. Do you want to be that guy? And so, you have to put in the work. No matter how impossible a dream, you can start with the basics. You can work with what you have. You can build off of that. You can ask a pro, a coach, an amateur, or the closest version of that. You can start cutting the excuses. You gotta think big, but gradually start small. You have to look in the mirror and be honest with yourself. How bad do I want this? You gotta be willing to take the L's so you can appreciate your wins. Most importantly, you get to repeat this again and again and again. This is a forever game.